Fine-tuning a 12 billion parameter model on your own machine usually ends one way: a CUDA out-of-memory crash. But what if you could do it on a laptop with just 8 GB? Akshay Pachaar showed exactly that. And Google's own Gemma account reshared it. Before fine-tuning, the model guesses random chess moves. After, it finds the exact missing move. So can a model this small really learn that? Let's walk through Akshay's build step by step. First, the model. Akshay uses Gemma 4, the 12 billion parameter version. It is multimodal. It handles text, images and audio. And it runs on just 8 GB of memory. The goal he set is sharp. Give the model a chess game with one move missing, plus the final result. It has to predict the exact move that is gone. Random guessing will not cut it. The model has to actually understand the board. The whole build is 6 moves. Load the model. Define the LoRA config. Load the dataset. Build the trainer. Train it, then test before and after. 2 tools carry the project: Unsloth for efficient fine-tuning, and Hugging Face transformers to run everything locally. No cloud, no giant GPU. Here is step 1. Step 1. Load the model. Akshay loads Gemma 4 and its tokenizer using Unsloth. One call pulls the model down and gets it ready in memory. This is the part people think needs a data center. It does not. It fits in 8 GB. Step 2. The LoRA config. This is the trick that makes 8 GB enough. Instead of retraining all 12 billion parameters, LoRA trains a tiny set of new ones. Akshay uses Unsloth's PEFT helper. He picks the rank and which layers to fine-tune. The language layers and the attention modules. Small footprint. Real learning. Step 3. The data. He uses the ChessInstruct dataset from Hugging Face. Each example is a chess game with one move removed, plus the final result. Then he standardizes it into a conversation format, so Gemma can train on it. The data is the teacher here. Step 4. The trainer. Akshay sets the training config. The learning rate, the model, the tokenizer. Then he hits go. Watch the logs. The loss drops as the steps climb. That falling number is the model actually learning the game. This is the moment a random guesser becomes a chess player. So did it work? Here is the test. Before fine-tuning, the model generates random chess moves. Junk. After fine-tuning, on the same prompt, it finds the exact missing move. Same model. Same 8 GB. The only thing that changed was Akshay's training run. That is the whole point of fine-tuning. You teach a general model one specific skill. That is Akshay Pachaar's full walkthrough. A 12 billion parameter model fine-tuned to master chess entirely on a laptop. So here is the real question. Is 8 GB of local fine-tuning actually useful? Or is running a 12 billion model that small just a party trick? Drop your verdict below. And follow Akshay for more.